Hey guys, this is your coach, Andrea Dickerson here with IOwnADaycare.com, where we connect childcare business owners with proven management solutions. Today I want to talk about how to host a virtual tour of your childcare business online. So you guys know I love my marketing class called Market Like a Childcare Boss. And in this class, I teach childcare business owners how to create funnels so that they'll be able to host tours for parents online. And now that most states are opening back up, it may be more common now for parents to come in and take a tour. But if you're still taking precautions and you want for parents to take a tour online, I'm going to teach you a virtual tour process. So stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be right back. Hey, you guys. Thank you so much for standing along with me. Listen, I am talking about an organization success series. And you know what? I want to talk about how to organize your virtual tours online. And if we are going to build it big and build it better, then I think that you guys should really consider one of the biggest businesses in the world, and that's called Amazon. Just recently, I was doing some research online about organizing and systemizing, and I ran across where Amazon was hosting virtual tours. And I was like, Amazon? Virtual tours? So I said, let me take a look at this. And when I went behind the scenes, I was like, oh my gosh, I am teaching childcare business owners how to host virtual tours the same way that the biggest retailer in the world is currently doing their virtual tours. So if you want to take a look at the behind the scenes of virtual tours, let me give you Amazon's landing page. It's www.amazonfctours.com. So you don't go to Amazon.com, you go to AmazonFCtours.com. So I want to give you guys a little behind the scenes of this tour process that you would see when you go to their landing page. But before I plug it in, I want for you guys to realize why I'm doing this. Many childcare business owners are asking, how do I host a virtual tour? And how do I set this up? Well, I believe that those of you that are watching should organize your website in such a way that when parents go on to your website, they can click on virtual tour. And when they click on virtual tour, it can give them an option to either sign up for your virtual tour, or it can give them the option to watch your pre-recorded video. And that's exactly the way Amazon is doing theirs. Now, this is going to be a great way for you to bring parents into your open house, because you guys know summer is about to come in and it's time to get our back to school campaigns moving forward. So if you're going to get your back to school campaign moving forward, then you want to now start advertising for parents to sign up so that they can take a virtual tour. And so when you sign up with Amazon, they're going to have it where you will be notified through the same processes I teach childcare business owners, where they can send parents an email. So listen, when I tell you guys that this behind the scene process to your virtual tours will be a game changer for you, it will. So get you some pen and paper, pull up to my YouTube, give me a thumbs up, and watch this behind the scenes. You're going to love it. All right, let's go. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited about it. I just want to give you guys a little bit of my thought process when it comes to you hosting your virtual tours. So if you are new, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, one of my amazing followers, please just drop your name below so that I can say hi to you. I'm excited because I help childcare business owners create systems in their childcare business to help them systemize, organize, and shift in their business and go to the next level where they have a really happy life. And so today's video is going to be about how to have an open house online. So I'm going to give you some of the behind the scenes that my company does to help childcare business owners accomplish that. And I'm going to show you what one of the biggest brands in America personalized touch with their clients. All right, so taking a look right here on screen, you see Heartfelt Childcare. Heartfelt Childcare is a client that chose to use our funnel building services. Did you guys know that Eye on a Daycare helps childcare business owners build their funnels, have the appropriate website with the right wording and images, and we just ask that you provide us with a little bit of personalized content, and we show you the end result by creating your funnels for you. So here, Heartfelt Childcare is telling parents to take a virtual tour without leaving their seat. And so if you were to click this box here, you would get a pre-recording of the virtual tour. And this is where we encouraged Heartfelt to do an amazing video to show parents their program. And then if they want an in-person tour, they can click here to schedule. So when they click there to schedule, it will take them to the next landing page. On the next landing page, it asks the parent for their personal information, shipping address, and also just a small fee that will be credited to their account, just to know that they are booking a online visit that they will do physically, just to know that they are really serious about booking with us. And so this is the layout that we teach childcare business owners, and this is what we call funnels. This is what we call a virtual tour funnel, all right? So virtual, V, tour, T, and C, F for funnel, a VTF funnel, virtual tour funnel. So it means that parents got a chance to see a small snippet of a hello, welcome, something similar to like a virtual tour. But now that parents have taken the virtual tour and they're ready to enroll, then they'll go ahead and click this button and come into your facility. Well, guys, I know that you all may be saying, Coach, that is amazing. And I think so too. However, let me give you guys a little bit more in depth of why this is so important. It is so important for you to have, let me go back. It is so important for you to have opportunities for parents to take a look at your program online. Also, when utilizing this particular process, you can use Zoom to host your virtual tour online. And so when you're hosting a real live virtual tour, you can have people sign up Those people will give you their information and they will attend the tour according to the timeline that you have set. So let me show you how that can be done and accomplished in any business by us looking at Amazon. So let's go here. All right, so Amazon has a website that's called Amazon.com, correct? Well, right now I am on what we call a landing page. If you look up here to the top, it says Amazon FCTours.com. So that lets me know that Amazon has fulfillment center tours.com. So this is their landing page for anyone that wants to see how items are fulfilled. And then it says Amazon Fulfillment Center Tours. Tours are available virtually. So it's now showing an image of someone taking a virtual tour. And then you have the button here to go virtual, which once we go back over to our virtual concept here, we have our button below, which says click here to go in person. So in essence, we are set up just like big brands across the world. Now, when you click on virtual tour here, I want you guys to notice that it takes you to the next screen, which is the same concept that we do. And it says be our guest virtually. Now, here it has the option for you to log on for live virtual tours. So your live virtual tours, they're telling you when they're going to be conducted, what time they're going to be conducted, and you can click for whatever tour spot you want. So if we clicked on May 1st through the 15th, the next thing we're going to do is to register for what I just told you guys, a Zoom. So right here, this company is using GoToWebinar, which is just like Zoom. And so when they get there, you're going to put in your information, which you guys know my name, Andrea. All right. And then my last name is Dickerson. And you guys know my email is info@iownadaycare.com. All right, and then when I click register, it's going to let me know that I'm registered for a webinar, which is the same thing as a Zoom. And so they're going to make sure that they contact me. I got a chance to add it on. But all of this is what big businesses are doing that we can do as well. Now, here is what I love about this process. So once you continue to scroll down, it says video tour, right here. So if you're interested in touring the fulfillment center and don't have time to join our live hosted tours, take this 10-minute video tour. So you click there, and this video tour now takes us to another landing page where we can watch the video. So when you watch this video, it takes you through the fulfillment process. I mean, I learned so much about it, but that's all you can pretty much do on this page. All you can pretty much do is find out about the video, right? So that's the way I want for you to begin to think about your online tours, right? So video tours are for individuals that want to just watch it right then and book you to come in person. Virtual tours are what you're going to do for parents who can attend your open house online. So now we don't have to limit open house to just when school is going back into season. We can host an open house any time of the year. All right. And so the way that you can do that is by sending individuals to your landing page, which is right here. This is the landing page. And when they get to your landing page, they can click for your tours, which would take them there to the next page. And when they click for your tours, you're going to have your touring information. And when the tours are going to be offered, they click on when the open house is going to be offered. You're going to have it connected to your Zoom or your GoToWebinar. You're going to have them sign up. They're going to get a confirmation. I'm going to sign up again just to see. They're going to get a confirmation. And when you're ready to notify your families, you have their name, address, and their first name, last name, email address for constant fulfillment and follow-up. And you also have this client that will be notified through the automation of your back office of Zoom or GoToWebinar. And now you add that person content into your CRM customer management system. So you add it there, like your email systems, your e-commerce systems, you add that email there. So that's what I want to give you guys clarity about that. Guess what? We can do the same thing in our childcare business. As a matter of fact, I help childcare business owners set up funnels like this all the time. I just needed for you guys to see that big brands that are worldwide are using our simple strategies just as well. So what's holding you back? All right, so now you got to get from where you are to where you want to be. Maybe you don't know anything about funnels, so that could be holding you back, not knowing anything about funnels. Maybe you don't know much about how to do your videos. All right, so then that's a hurdle you need to cross over so that you can get rid of that holding you back. And maybe you're saying, Coach, I didn't even know this was available to me. So now that's why you want to continuously get rid of that hurdle of staying in the know. So those are 3 hurdles I want you guys to begin to think about, because on the other side of all of those hurdles are your answers. So if you're looking for answers to shift your business to the next level, I've just shown you how to take virtual tours to the next level to grow your business. So get in the right circle of people, get the right mindset, and be prepared to invest in yourself so that you can gain the wisdom that you need. Those 3 key points will help you overcome all hurdles, set up the right systems for your business, and shift to the next level. All right, if this video has helped you in any way, be sure to let me know by leaving your comments below. Take care, you guys. Have a great day.